crew? How y'all doing today? Welcome to the channel, brothers and sisters. Today we're doing something a little different, you know. So, people who knew I had a pit bike here, it's not here anymore. That's because me and my boy, we about to go riding today. We about to go fuck shit up today. Got the big Ford, you know, two big Fords right there. Brother, we got the, oh yeah, we going to work today. What we about to do today, brother?
Gotta fuck up that pit bike.
There we go. We like that. We like that. See, we're gonna try to not fuck it up, but you never know, man. We have too much fun. But after all the things that I put it through, I think she'll hold up. So, you know, let's get in the big Ford. Big Ford, excuse me. Oh, we gonna get this work in, brothers. We gonna fuck that boy up. Let's get the bread. So, you know, we had to go to the gas station, get some gas, boy. He's gonna fill up the truck. And then we're gonna fill this bad bitch up. I don't know how much it's gonna, I think this is like a 1.5 gallon tank. It's pretty small, bro. You wanna fill up the truck first, or you want me to take it? Yeah, do that first. Oh, you like that? Hello. We're about to go riding today. About to hit some hills, jumps, and find. We're gonna see whatever we find, man. We're gonna hit everything. Ain't that right, brother? Huh? Is it? Wait, whoa. Okay. Okay. It's not working, so he's gonna back up to that one. All right, be careful, brother. Oh my God. Okay, I think we're good, brother. Did you forget I was back here?
No, I knew you were back there.
Oh, okay. You know, yeah, we'll go for a ride. You like that? Oh yeah, we got the Mobile one, brother. Mobile sponsor me. You know, we're filling up the big Ford, the Honda, another Ford. We all getting work today, brother. How you doing? Let me get that bad boy.
Stick it in.
What?
What?
Stick it in. Give me some juice, boy. Yes, sir. Drink up. Nice. There you go, bud. All right. Hey, hand me that the oil in there. I'm gonna see if I can put some in here real quick. Huh?
It's in the front.
Did I forget to bring it?
I think you did.
No, I swear I brought it, bro. They have some here. You wanna go in there? I don't want you to buy it if we have some already.
You wanna go back?
No, not really.
Okay. I was gonna go and get some.
Huh?
I was gonna get some.
You hungry shit. All right.
bro.
Let's get it. Oh shit. Good thing it snaps back on, bro. What we gotta do now is this thing is bone dry on oil. So we have to, you know, I checked it before we put it in here. It's dry. It's oh, there's a little bit. I mean, that's because we shook it, but we need more oil, so gotta fill her up. We were about to put transmission fluid in the thing, but we want to make a couple videos with it, so we're not gonna do that. worried that I'm gonna get oil on his truck. Oops. I jinxed myself. No, because like the first time I did it, not one drop got on it. And then I was like, oh, I'm really good at this. And then just fucking everywhere. I don't want to put all of it in there. I don't think so. So I'm going to just start it real quick. Let the oil simmer.
Looks like there's cold.
Where?
Well, I mean, you can see like there's a dry oil.
Dude, this is the shit box.
Oh, and the case is cracked right there.
Yes, it is. So I think that's why. Well, let the oil simmer. Let's get to work, brothers. So, I think he's a little too excited for this dirt bike activity that we're gonna have. He's,
What are you talking about?
you know, wow, it's just swerving through cars, man. You know, we got places to be. Move out the way. Move, bitch. You were supposed to finish it.
Get out the way.
Wow.
I didn't know. I was
Wow.
obviously not driving. My bad. I'm sorry. I apologize.
All right, you better watch out because the cops be sitting in these fucking medians, bro. Yeah. So pass this truck, get in the next lane. Yeah. Oh boy, I'm teaching him how to drive, man. No, pass this truck. I said pass this truck.
You said pass the truck and get another lane?
All right, now get in the right lane. All right. I'm just trying to get you as close as possible to the exit. Yep. Oh shit! Oh shit! There's a car! There's a car! There's a car! Go! 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 Fuck that! Fuck him! Oh shit! Ooh. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Left lane. I like this. I like that. That feels like I'm a. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, looks like we're gonna make it there in no time. Hello, Mr. Merrill. All right. Right lane. Right lane. Cool. It's like we're, you know the Baja races, like the trucks and shit,
Yeah.
like the trophy trucks. You know how they have navigators? It'd be like
Yeah.
turn left to this.
Yeah.
That's what I feel like. Did your ears pop?
Yeah.
Mine did too. It's too fast, or you know. So we getting close to the spot, and
Yes, sir.
he said he's ready to blow the dirt bike up.
Yes, sir.
I don't know, man. The way he's driving this truck, man, I feel like we're not gonna last long on that fucking bike. I'll tell you that. But we coming up on this beautiful view right here. See, look, that's the yep. Look at that. Look at that. Take the jet skis, boat out. People fish down there. Like they literally park their fucking cars on this side of the road in DC. You wanna go fishing?
You got the poles?
No. What the fuck is this? Turn right out the light. Dude, what did you put on me fucking last night? Jesus. Dude, there's like a cream apple, like a caramel thing. Damn Maggie. But no sir, we almost there. So we're gonna set up and gonna get ripping, boy. So see that little right thing right there? We're gonna drive past it. There's no cars behind us. We're gonna drive past it, and if there's no one in the booth, we'll turn into here. Bet they closed it. Fuck yeah, let's go. Go. Oh shit. Yeah, boy, don't chip. Damn, we can ride this bitch everywhere then. So, yeah, and then turn left down there. Yep, we ain't paying for. Oh shit, the speed. Oh, that boy took it like a champ. How you doing? Like that. Oh, that's the motherfucker who was that was the guy who was chasing me. Go straight. All the way down. All the way down. We gotta get away from these pedestrians before we get the cops called on us. Alright, alright. Easy. Yeah, I know, but easy on the attention, bro. We're coming here with a pit bike. You know?
What? Where?
What pit bike?
No, yeah, we're pit bike.
What?
Right?
Straight. Yes, this is undisclosed territory. See, that's the apartment complex. See them?
Yeah.
And then that's the soccer field. But then we go down here, and then we'll go ripping. But look, if the guy comes, I'm taking off on the bike.
Okay.
Take off in your truck.
Bet.
And then we're gonna head that way. So just park where it's easy. Closer down there. Yeah, park right there. And we're about to head down. See that? Watch, it's gonna be fucking sick. Made it to the Mexico. Look, bro. This is the volleyball net, wood chips, sand. There's like hills we can jump.
Oh yeah.
Dude, I'm ready to go.
Yes, sir.
You know, doing something light.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you humming like that?
I don't know. I was just saying, yep.
You sound a little
Fruity?
Yeah. This wasn't tight at all. Alright, brother. I want to see if I can do this by myself.
Go for it. Worst comes to worst, just eat it.
Yes, sir. All right, brother. So what we did already, we just drove down here. Beautiful view, brother. Now, y'all know that motocross, what would you call it?
Morning.
How you doing, brother? All right. All right, but you know what is that motocross thing called? Like, what is it? Is there like a name to it? Like with the souped up dirt bikes and they hill climb?
Oh, it's hill.
Is it just called like hill climb?
Yeah,
Like they climb steep hills with their dirt bikes. So I'm gonna try to attempt this one first and see how this little 70 does. And then there's a spot where you go right up here. I don't know what he's trying to do with that sign, but it's a beautiful view, man.
Oh yeah.
You like that?
Oh yeah. Real good.
You want to try it?
I don't care. It looks like you're riding a two-stroke with all that smoke.
You like that, huh?
Oh yeah.
All right, here. You just gotta keep her going, brother. Oh shit. Up one.
Oh, it's up. Not bad.
Oh my god. He's so small, bro. He's going in the water. There's no front brakes.
You probably should have warned me that I don't have any front brakes.
I told you. I told you that. I was like, he's about to go in the water, bro.
That would have been so bad.
All right. Oh shit! God damn, man. Still recording? You like that?
Yes, sir.
All right, follow me up here. See those hills?
Yeah.
You think I can jump one?
I think you can get air.
I can get there.
Yeah.
Not enough speed to get air. First won't give me. I mean, we can try it. You think if I hit it another way?
Oh my god.
How did that look?
It looks sketchy.
Very.
You can see your brake mark.
Yeah, I don't like that one.
Yeah, I bet.
I can't get enough speed, bro.
It's a big ass hill too.
Let's go hit that fucking volleyball, man.
Bet.
You want to try it? Here. Got my boy Ashton in the car. Oh, shit, hey! Like that. You can see the brake line. Oh shit. Oh shit. Whoa, whoa. It's crazy, man. Crazy.
God damn.
You like that?
Yeah, it's fun. Sketchy though.
I have a challenge for you.
What?
In that vault, you know how there's sand there?
Uh-huh.
You gotta go like the top of second gear,
Uh-huh.
hit the sand, and try to keep it balanced. Let that bitch rip.
Okay. Oh fuck.
We're gonna see what happens. Huh? Down there. I like that. You like that? Oh yeah, big dog action showing how it's dope. All right, there's no brakes, brother. There's no brakes, brother. You found something, I guess. What is that? how you done. Let's.
Mischief.
I'm dizzy.
Yeah, I bet.
Oh, Alex, look at that.
Yeah.
That's a perfect. Goddamn. Stomach's out. Oh. Oh.
I was gonna be like that, but
oh.
it would have been weird, so you know, I decided not to.
I like that. Uh-huh. Damn. That's how it's done, brother.
Yes, sir.
You wanna try?
I'm good. You want me to hop out there and get a field view of you doing it?
What?
Doing a donut right there. I hop up on there.
How you gonna get up there? All right, brother. I don't know how you're gonna do this. He said he wanna give me a view up there. Oh, hell no. Hey, do your thing, brother. If you fall, hey, bro.
What?
Please don't fall.
Get more in the middle though.
Yeah, there you go. How's that?
Good, bro. You're hitting me up here with them chunks.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Sorry about that.
Good. I should probably get down from here now.
I want to see how you're gonna get down.
Oh, there's a ladybug.
Where?
Ah, it was on the
Oh. Oh. Oh, shit. He said, let me get my workout. You want to go ride? What do you want to do? Take that bitch, bro. See what you got to do. You like that? Hold on. Beginner. Wow.
Okay? I don't fuck with this.
Wow.
Hey, I don't want to hear
That's a crazy, man, if I've ever seen one myself. Bro, it is hot out. We got my boy Aston. Look at him, man. He's going crazy, man. Show him how you go crazy, man. Show him how you go crazy, brother. Oh, he's gonna eat shit. Oh, come on, brother. Oh, whoa, oh. There you go. You like that. You like that. Oh my God.
How do you do wheelie on this?
Put it in second, hold it down like I told you, and let it go. There you go. You know, I'm teaching him a little something. This guy's acting a fool, man. That's gas. Whoa. I'm surprised that damn thing hasn't blown up yet. That brother crazy.
This thing's cold though.
Huh?
I think it's on its dying days though.
No, it's not. It's burning. That's it's vaping, bro. Yeah. Here, spread it apart more. Did I break something?
Yes, sir.
Let's get this bitch off.
Yeah, for real, folks.
Bro, I'm about to train you on this bitch. Damn. Huh? God damn, dude. Dude, you fucking put holes in it. Let's go back down there.
Okay. Hold up.
Bro, that's fucking sick. Is it recording?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Bro, come look at the tire.
Jesus, no tread almost.
You like that?
Roached.
Let's see if this bitch still starts, bro. Oh, you heard the tranny.
Yeah,
I heard
dude.
something snap. If it starts, I'm winning the lottery tomorrow.
Peru.
Let's go, brother.
Bet.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to jump start it, see if we can roll down and then knock it in the first gear and see if it'll start. So that's first.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, you hear it?
Yeah.
All right. So we gotta.
What are your thoughts?
Huh?
You want to take her swimming?
What?
You want to take her swimming?
I don't know what you're talking about, brother.
Oh.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh
shit.
fuck.
Oh shit. Oh, shit. I don't want to get my feet wet.
Might as well take them shoes and socks off.
Hold on. I'm smarter than that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no.
Dude, cool the engine off.
Huh?
Cool the engine off. Water cooled.
That's a smart idea.
It is a smart idea. And then do a burnout in the water.
I don't want to take my shoes off. That's gay.
How's it gay?
I just really don't want to. Because then I'll have to put on. Nah, I'm not trying to blow it up.
For real.
We put this thing through hell.
Oh yeah.
That table, if this video doesn't go viral, then I don't know what I'm doing.
For real.
Like, I don't, like, is this world okay?
Yeah, dude, you gotta post that video of you doing the burn on the table on Instagram too.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we're going on an adventure, brother.
Yes, sir.
And the path looks pretty scary, but, you know, we never back down from a challenge. So, you know, we do burnouts on picnic tables.
True.
So we're not scared. So in here. I think there's a path that goes down here. Oh, there is. So what if I just fell in the water?
That would be a good YouTube video.
Oh, there's a bench. Oh my god.
Do it.
You think I can make it up there?
Yeah.
You wanna go sit at that bench?
Yeah, sure. Go for it.
This is where people fuck. They have sexy time. Right here. They come down that path, they park their car, they come down here. And they'd be like, nah. Beautiful. Look at the water, man.
Nice.
I kind of want to go. Man, I wish I brought clothes.
For real. I feel you.
Go swim, bro.
Nah, I'm good.
Why?
Look at this. I don't trust that at all.
You know, they found dead bodies in this.
Nice.
Dead bodies, cars, dead animals. Why is he playing with it? Bro,
I can't pee when you're recording.
huh?
I can't pee when you're recording.
Why?
Stage fright.
Huh?
I don't know.
Go ahead, brother.
No, I can't.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys how to launch a pit bike in the sand. I might not go anywhere. So I guess we went from dirt bikes to climbing trees. Is that what we're doing now?
Oh, perfectly good tree. I just need to come on.
Yeah, it looks pretty nice.
You want to get up here with me?
Nah, I'm good.
You sure?
I'm good where I'm at.
You sure? Okay.
Yeah.
There's plenty of room.
Oh, I know.
It's a very nice tree.
Yeah, and you know I'm 2 times heavier than you, so pretty scared.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty scared.
How you gonna get down?
Very carefully.
Huh?
Very carefully.
Let's see that.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Wildfire, Wild Man.
I can see me falling.
Why would you fall?
I don't know.
Okay.
God damn.
Whoa, good work. The grass doesn't like me.
Yeah, bad.
That wasn't even, that was like half RPM in second.
Yeah. Because there's no tread on the tires anymore.
There's no power. I'm fucking 260 pounds. I have an idea.
What?
Follow me. Baseball field.
Whoa. Nice catch. I'm not started recording. Aw, dude. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, bro. Dude, he wants to talk to us so bad. Oh, shit. Oh, dude, I just... Oh, watch out for the wire.
Don't chase, boy.
We out. My truck's back there. My truck is back there.
You got your keys?
Yeah.
Good. That's all you need. Big bump. I knew they were gonna come.
Crazy. Yeah.
I don't want him coming down here and seeing us. I don't think he will. You know, don't chase boys. We're loading this up because the park ranger dude came. He was hauling ass down over here. He parked right here and we took off that way. And then we seen him driving down the road, so we hurried up, came back here and loaded up. About to hit spot 2. You know, Detroit Sunday Fun Day, spot 2. Here we go, brother. So now we at spot number 2. Park ranger ain't gonna find us here because we going in those woods. You know, we got the dirt bike loaded that boy in 10 seconds. Close that up. About to get stuff rocking in the woods. There's like paths in here, so I kind of like this better than. No, I like that part. Well, ooh, goddamn. Ooh, you let me know. Tell me after we ride this one. Tell me what you think. Brake doesn't work.
Oh, really?
It's that one. So this is a front brake. That's see that pedal right there?
Oh, right there?
No, that's where you rest your foot on.
Yeah.
This right here.
Oh, that's the brake?
Yeah, that's the rear brake.
Okay.
Right. And then that's the throttle. It's really sensitive, so you gotta go slow. So and this is a gear thing. So all the way down is neutral, right? And then one up is first gear. You're just gonna keep it in first for now. So neutral. So how you start it? You ever kick start something?
No.
Put your foot on that and you kick down, and then give it gas. Don't let it die. I don't want you to slip, bro.
I'm not.
And then one up. Go. Go, give me gas.
How is it?
That's nice, bro.
You like it?
Yeah. That boy's sweet.
You know, damn. Oh, shit.
That is
Pushing
nice.
that bitch.
That is nice.
Appreciate it. Damn. I'm never running like that again. I can't breathe. Whew. Yeah. God damn. Don't chase, boy.
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yep.
Top speed run. 100 miles an hour. Second gear. Third gear.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Like that.
Oh, fuck. God damn, I need some warning next time. Kind of, yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Your turn?
I'll take it for a whip.
Go ahead, brother. I can't take all the fun for myself. Who like that? What's he doing now? All right, so what we're about to do is we're gonna mimic the baseball players when they hit the ball, and we're gonna run the bases on this. My boy Marcus right there, he got a timer, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna have a competition between three of us.
Okay.
Whoever does the fastest time wins.
Okay.
All right,
Alright, so where's my timer at?
here.
I know it's kind of different from y'all, but
Here. Stopwatch. So whenever you see me take off,
Yeah.
hit start, and whenever I cross home plate, stop.
alright.
All right, you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna get this shit rocking, boy.
sliding.
Look.
13-17.
13-17?
Uh-huh.
It's a little sketch over there.
Yeah, see?
13-17? All right,
Yes,
who's
sir.
next?
You?
I'll whip this bitch next.
Bet here. All right, now it's his turn. See how fast he can make it around the base. Three, 2, 1. I told him second gear. Second gear. Second gear. Oh! Oh, 15-7. Wow, you want to try? All right. I'm going to start you off. Just make sure you keep giving it gas. It's all right. Here. Here, put it in neutral. Yep, start it. A little bit more. All right. When I say go, I'm going to do it for you. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, hold on, wait.
Put it up that second. Or first.
If you want to go to second, go up again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go, go, go!
Shit, bro.
This guy's speed.
Hit the brake. Let off the gas. There you go. 16.
Okay.
Not bad, not bad. So, Marty Mart the GOAT, bro.
Dude.
Marty Mart the GOAT.
I couldn't shoot.
I know you was trying to. You want to run it back?
Yeah,
All right, bet.
Hey, just wait, bro. You talk all that smack.
You like that?
Yes, sir.
Is it recorded?
Yeah.
You know that. You like that. All right. Time ready? Or are you recording it?
I'm timing.
All right. 3,
2, 1. There you go.
Dude, I don't like that.
What happened?
The water.
What happened?
I'm gonna eat.
Wait, what time? What time? 14.6?
Can I do it again? Can I do it again?
Go for it.
Bet. You know, I wasn't ready that time.
Yeah. No.
Dude, I got a cramp.
Yes, sir.
Goddamn. Ready?
Yep.
3. Like that 2-step.
Oh, yeah. Is it time? No way. Oh, you're cheesing. There's no way. What?
Yeah, see?
Oh,
Oh yeah, you like that. My shoe came off. Can you beat 12-9?
I bet that. Yeah.
All right, go ahead, brother. Neutral. Round 2, baby. We like that. Three, 2, 1. Oh shit! No! 13-7!
No way!
Where's he going? You like that? You like that? Oh yeah.
No way.
13-7, brother.
Dude, I was fucking cooking on
You was. That water shit, that's scary. Go ahead, brother. Go. Oh. I like that. All right, Mark, 2 times 2, brother. We got a little GoPro action. Boy! Yeah, yeah. You like that? You like that? Here we go. Yeah! Oh, oh, oh. Hey! 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 Oh, shit! Goddamn! Oh, yeah! You like that? You like that?
Racing the minivan.
I can go faster.
Yeah. What's that guy out there walking towards Mighty for? Oh, there's a guy out there.
That boy is not going as fast.
Yes, sir. You should race the minivan. It's alright, he got the jump, I saw it. God damn. It's a smoke show out here.
It's not fast.
Nah.
I think I took off in second.
I still think you can gap the Rio.
You hear that, Rio? Calling you out, brother. Damn,
Yes, sir.
hot.
God, yeah. For real.
Today, that was a long video.
It is a long video.
Should we end it?
I think we should.
All right, brothers. Y'all heard it here from the best. Today was a crazy ass day.
Yes, sir.
You know, why are you so close to my face? Whoa! No, but we got kicked out by fucking park rangers. We almost fell in water. We did some weird ass jumps, hills, this, that, donuts,
Hill climbs.
hill climbs. Oh, Scooby Doo right here.
Yes, sir.
Still kicking, man. 1994. How old is that? 26, 25?
25.
25?
Yeah.
Something like that. She still rips, bro.
Oh wait, you know, it'd be 6. I don't know. We're
She
down.
still rips. I'll tell you that. But hey, appreciate y'all for watching, man. If you liked it, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe, man. Notifications on. Should we do more videos like this?
Damn right. If the thing's still kicking after what we do to it.
This bitch is still kicking, bro. I don't think we can break it. Maybe one.
It is a Honda, so
Exactly,
yeah.
bro. One day we're gonna put some special ingredients in the oil and
Oh, yeah.
gas tank and
Oh,
see if
yeah.
she goes. All right. Other than that, see y'all soon.